Good morning to all the students. In the previous lectures, we have discussed the numerical methods to solve ordinary differential equations. We have already discussed the Picard's method, Taylor series method, Euler's method. In this lecture, we will discuss Milne's method, also known as Milne's predictor corrector method or PC method, to solve the ordinary differential equation numerically. This method consists of following predicted value of y, that is y n plus 1. P indicates the predicted value is equals to y n minus 3 plus 4h by 3 2 times fn minus 2 minus fn minus 1 plus 2 times fn. The corrected value of y n plus 1 is given by y n plus 1. C again indicates the corrected value is equals to y n minus 1 plus h by 3 fn minus 1 plus 4 times fn plus f star n plus 1. In above equations, fn is equals to f xn comma yn, fn minus 1 is equals to f of xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1. fn minus 2 is function at xn minus 2 comma yn minus 2, and fn plus 1 star is function at xn plus 1 and predicted value at n plus 1. Thus here 4 pairs of starting values are required, where except x0, y0, other values x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are obtained by earlier studied methods, namely Euler's method, Taylor's method, etc. So we consider an example over here. Use Milne's PC method to solve the equation dy by dx is equals to x minus y square at x is equals to 0.8, given that y at x is equals to 0 is 0, y at x is equals to 0.2 is 0.02, y at x is equals to 0.4 is 0.0795, and y at x is equals to 0.6 is 0.1762. So here function at x comma y is equals to x minus y square, x0, y0 is 0 comma 0, x1, y1 is 0.2 comma 0.02, x2, y2 is 0.4 comma 0.0795, x3, y3 is 0.6 comma 0.1762. So first we calculate the terms required in the predicted and corrected values of y. So f0, it is function at x0 comma y0. We have calculated its value. Similarly f1, f2 and f3. By Milne's predictor formula, we have predicted value of y as yn plus 1 p is equals to yn minus 3 plus 4 h upon 3 2 times fn minus 2 minus fn minus 1 plus 2 times fn. We have substituted n is equals to 3 in this formula, and the values of the other terms which we have calculated above. The value of h is 0.2, so we have calculated the predicted value of y4 as 0.3049. Again we have calculated f4 star by using the predicted value of y, so it is 0.7070. Again by Milne's corrector formula, we have written the formula. We have put the value of n is equals to 3 and value of n as 3 and value of h as 0.2 and substitute the values calculated above. So we get the corrected value of y4 as 0.3045. Here we observe that there is not much difference between the predicted value of y and corrected value of y. These two values are in the same range with minor changes in these two values. Hope this lecture will be helpful for you. If you have any queries, you may contact me. Thank you.